Now, we are back again, but this time around, you see, we are multiplying a five-digit number by a two-digit number. Already now, when we are multiplying a five-digit number by one-digit number, we went through a lot. Remember, we walked from table 1 to table 9. Already now, even if you never knew this multiplication table, you find it enjoyable. Otherwise, what are we here for? To enjoy mathematics. Now, this two-digit number. But remember, the upper number here, for example, in A, what do I have? I have 53,375. I'm multiplying by 36. So the two-digit number here is 36. The five-digit number here is 53,375. Wow, great. So, what is the place value of this digit? Ones. What is the place value of this digit? Tens. So, we start. Already we know how to multiply by one digit number. So, it is the numbers, the digits on top here, 57335. I'm multiplying by this digit down here, this digits down here, this now 6 and 3. Wonderful. Now, let us start. How do you start? Somebody is asking himself or herself. Oh, and don't ask yourself that question. There's no harm in trying. You can try it by yourself, but now, before that, let us do this. Remember, we have two numbers here. I start with the ones digit. If you have two-digit number, or when you are multiplying by a two-digit number, you start with the ones digit. So ones digit here we have 6. So we start with 6, multiply by everything, every digit here. Then after we are done, it's going to move to 3. So let us start. 6 times 5. Somebody's asking. You have not understood. No problem. I'm saying we have a 5-digit number, which is 53,375. We are multiplying by a 2-digit number, which is 36. So, what are we going to do? The first step, remember we have 36 here. 30 and 6. That's now 36. 30 and 6. So, we start with the ones digit. Take 6, multiply by everything. And the way we talked about in our previous lesson, we start from the right towards the left. Once you are done with the 6, what is next? Don't worry, we have not even reached there and you have started worrying. Let us go. 6 times 5. What do you have? 30. Write 0, carry 3. Carry 3, remember, carry 3 in your brain. 6 times 7. What do you have? 42. 42 plus 3, you carried 45. Write 5, carry 4. 6 times 3, 18. 18 plus 4, you carried, that is 22. Write 2, carry 2. 6 times 3 here, again 18. Remember this time you carried 2. 18 plus 2, that will give us what? 20. Write 0, carry 2 again. 6 times 5. 6 times 5, that is now 30. Plus 2 you carried, what do you have? 30 plus 2, we have 32. We are writing it, reason being, there's no number to multiply. Our multiplication ends at 5. So 6 times 5, 30 plus 2, 32. You write everything. I'm done with this ones digit here, which is 6. I've multiplied all the digits on top here by 6. So the next digit is the 10th digit, which is 30. 3 here, I mean. So 3 makes what you call 36. 36, meaning that it is 6 and 30. To show that you're multiplying by the 10th digit, you write 0 here. Why are we writing 0? To show that we are multiplying by the 10th digit. To show that you multiply by the 10th digit, we write 0. Good. So we write 0 here. Then we multiply the same. 3 multiplied by all the digits, or we multiply all the upper digits by 3. 3 times 5. Remember, write 0 first. Why? Why are we writing 0? We are writing 0 to show that we are multiplying by the 10th digit. And if we get the total value of this digit 3 here, it will be 30. It will be 30. So to show that we are multiplying by 30, what do? We write 0 here. Then we multiply the same way we did to digit 6 here. Now, 3 times 5 is 15. Write 5, carry 1. 3 times 7 is 21. Plus 1, you carried 22. Write 2, carry 2. 3 times 3, that is 9. 9 plus 2, you carried, that's now 11. Write 1. Carry 1. 3 plus 3, what do you have? That is 9 plus 1, that is 10. Write 0. Carry 1. 3 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 1 you carried, that's now 16. So 53,375 times 6, it is giving us 320,250. Then 53,375 times 3 is giving us 1,601,250. So what do? We say that 53,375 times 30, we have this. 53,375 times 6, we have this. What do? We add. Can you say add? We add, right? 0 plus 0, this is 0. 5 plus 5, this is 10, right? 0, carry 1. And carrying 1, they call it regrouping. So don't use that hard word that will confuse you. But you know that regrouping, if you say multiplication by regrouping, meaning that will be carrying. Addition by regrouping, meaning that will be carrying. Subtraction by regrouping means that will be borrowing. So we either borrow or carry. That is now we are regrouping. So where are we? 5 plus 5, that is 10. We write 0, we carry 1. 1 plus 2, what do you have? 3. 3 plus 2, that is 5. 0 plus 1, what do you have? That is 1. 2 plus 0, this is 2. 3 plus 6, this is now 9. Then here we have nothing, and here we have 0. So 0 plus 1, that's now 1. So 53,375 times 36, we have, can you read this number? What do you have? Right. 1,921,500. We are done with A. So let us come to B. B, what do you have? We have 6,171 multiplied by 78. Now, the same. Whatever we did here is whatever we are doing here. What are we going to do? We take the first digit on the second number, which is 78, multiplied by everything on top here. Then you'll take the second digit, multiply by everything on top. So let us start. 8 times 1, what do you have? That is 8. 8 times 7, what do you have? 8 times 7. Right, that is 56. Remember, we never carried something because 8 times 1 is 8, so there's nothing to carry. So 8 times 7 is 56. We write 6, we carry 5. For those people who does not know, we say that if you have 56, this is a 2-digit number. We carry the number on the right. So this one is, we write the number on the right. So this now is written, and this one is carried. So we carry this, and we write this. So we carry the number on the right, on the left, this right. So let us calm down. What do? We write the number on the right. Good? Understand? Perfect. Then this is the number we carry. This is the number we are writing. This is the number we are carrying. So this is the number on the right. Write it down. This is the number on the left. Carry it. So here we have 8 times 7, 56. We write 6. We carry 5. 8 times 1, that is 8 plus 5. That is 8 plus 5. What do you have? 13. We write 3, we carry 1. 8 times 5, that is 40, plus 1 you carried, make it 41. Remember, don't forget whatever you carried, 41. We write 1, we carry 4. 8 times 6, what do you have? 8 times 6, right, 48, plus 4 you carried. 48, that's now 52. Let us do it again. Remember, to avoid confusion. 8 times 1, that is 8. 8 times 7, that is 56. We write 6, we carry 5. 8 times 1, what do you have? That is 8 plus 5. That is now 13. Write 3, carry 1. 8 times 5, 40. Plus 1 you carried, 41. Write 1, carry 4. 8 times 6, that is now 48, plus 4 you carry 52. So always ensure that you solve your problem. If there's a mistake you have made, ensure that you solve it up here or where you identify the problem. Or suppose you are not concentrating. Now sometimes our conscience is leaving all of us. So suppose your conscience leaves you and you are not sure of whatever you have multiplied, don't worry, come here. You just redo it in this stage. Don't wait until it is too late to correct the mistake. Correct the mistake as early as possible to avoid problems. Remember, nobody wants trouble. Even me, I don't want trouble. So that's why I'm starting slowly by slowly and also redoing to confirm. So since we have confirmed, so we have multiplied all the digits on the upper number by 8. So we are moving to this one, which is 7. So to multiply this one is tens digit. And what does it mean? It means that we are going to multiply by 70. So to show that we are multiplying by the tens digit, which is now multiplying by 70, we add 0 here. So after adding 0, we can now multiply. 7 times 1, this now 7. 7 times 7. What do you have? What is 7 times 7? That is 49. 49, did we carry something? No. We just write now 9. We carry 4. 7 times 1, what do you have? That is now 7 plus 4 we carried. Remember, 7 times 7 was 49. We carried 4. Times 4 plus 4 we carried. So 7 plus 4, what do you have? That is 11. We write 1, we carry 1. 7 times 5, what do you have? That is now 35. Plus 1 you carried, what to make it 36. So we write 6, we carry 3. Remember, we are carrying 3. 7 times 6, what do you have? 42. 42. 42. What did we carry? Remember, what did we carry? We carried 3. Remember, 7 times 5 was 35. We wrote 36 because we carried 1 from here. So 7 times 6, we have 42, plus 3 we carried, that's now 45. Then after this, we can just add. Let us add. If we add 8 plus 0, what do you have? This 8. 6 plus 7, this now 13. Write 3, carry 1. 1, add it here. 1 plus 3, that is 4. Then 4 plus 9, that is now still 13. Write 3, carry 1. 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 plus 1, here we have 3. 2 plus 6, here we have 8. 5 plus 5, we have, what do you have? We have 10. Right? 0, carry 1. 1 plus 4, this is now 5. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Already we are millionaires. Remember, this now 5 million. 5 million is a good money. If you've been given, just take the money and keep quiet. But money does not want silence. So remember, keep quiet. We have 5 million. So we are millionaires from here. Here also we had 1 million. So maybe some people are not happy with 1 million. Now 1 million, I want to be multi-millionaire. So if you want, already we have started. Here we have 5. Here we had 1. So we are making progress. Maybe we can come with 10 to 11 to 20 millions here. Remember, don't faint. So we are done with A and B. So what have you noted? Number 1, we start with the ones digit. Multiply the digits on top by the ones digit. Get your answer. Write 0. Why are we writing 0? We are writing 0 to show that we are multiplying by the tens digit. So write 0, then multiply normally the way you multiply 6. But remember, before you start multiplying tens digit, what do? You add 0. Why are we adding 0? We are adding 0 to show that now we are multiplying by the tens digit. That's why we are adding 0. Good. So let us come here. What do you have? C, 61,032 multiplying by 95. Procedure remains the same. Take the ones digit on the lower number, which is 5, multiply by everything on the upper number. Multiply by all the digits. So let us start. 5 times 2, this is 10. Write 0, carry 1. That is 5 times 3. What do you have? That is 15 plus 1, you carried 16. Write 6, carry 1. 5 times 0, that is 0 plus 1, that is now 1. We are not carrying anything. 5 times 1, 5. We are not carrying anything. 5 times 6, that is now 30. So we have 30 there. So already we are done with the digit 5. We have multiplied all the digits on top here by digit 5. We are moving to the tens digit. So when you're moving to the tens digit, what do? We add 0 here. Why are we adding 0? We are adding 0 to show that we are now multiplying by the tens digit. And which tens digit is that? We are going to multiply by 90. Which is now the total value of digit 9 here. We are going to multiply by 90, or to show that we are multiplying by the tens digit. Now let us multiply. 9 times 2, we have 18. Write 8 there. Carry 1. 9 times 3, I have 9 times 3, that is 27. Plus 1 you carried, that is 28. I write 8, I carry 2. 9 times 0, that is 9, plus 2, we have 2. Let us continue. 9 times 1, that is 9, we are not carrying anything. 9 times 6, what did you say 9 times 6 is? 54. We write 54, the whole of it. Why? Because we are not multiplying by any other digit. Our multiplication ends here. Then from here, what do? We add everything. So if we add, we have 0 plus 0. This is 0. 6 plus 8. What do you have? We have 14. We write 4. We carry 1. 1 carry it on top there. So 1 plus 1 we have 2. 2 plus 8. What do you have? We have 10. Write 0. Carry 1. carry it on top there. So 1 plus 5 we have, that is 6. 6 plus 2, that is 8. Then here, what do you have? We have 0 plus 9. This one will be 9. Then 3 plus 4, we have 7. Then we have nothing here, so we are just going to have 5. So already we are at 5 million. Here also we had 5 million. So we have that 61,032 multiplied by 95. Our answer, we just group them 1, 2, 3. Place a comma, 1, 2, 3, place a comma. That's now 5,798,040. Now, the next one, we have this number here. What do you have here? This 92,693. We are multiplying by a 2-digit number, which now 42. So the procedure remains the same. Which digit are we going to start with here? We're going to start with the digit 2. So we multiply every digit here by digit 2, starting from right to left. So let us start. This now, 2 times 3, what do you have? This is 6. Are we carrying anything? No, we're not carrying anything. 2 times 9 here, we have 18. We write 8, we carry 1. Remember now we are carrying. Be careful when we are carrying. We are carrying 1. 2 times 6 here, we have 12. Plus 1 we carried, make it 13. We carry 1. 2 times 2, we have 4. Plus 1, this make it 5. Then 2 times 9, we have 18. So already we are done. So you can confirm 2 times 3 here, that's 6. 2 times, we are not carrying anything. 2 times 9 here, we have 18. Then we carry 1. 2 times 6 is now 12 plus 1, we carried 13. We carry 1. 2 times 2, this now 4 plus 1 we carried, make it 5. Are we carrying anything? No, we're not carrying. Then we have 2 times 9 here, 18. So we are done with the ones digit, which is 2. So we move to the 10th digit, which is now 4 here. To the 10th digit, already I said from ABC that when we are multiplying by the 10th digit, we have to start by writing 0 here. Why? The reason is very simple. In order to show that we are multiplying by now 10th digit, we are multiplying by 10th digit. So 10th digit here, the total value of this digit is now 40. So to show that we are multiplying by 40, we write 0. Then continue multiplying the same way. 4 times 3. 4 times 3, we have 12. Write 2, carry 1. Carry 1. 4 times 9, 36. 4 times 9, 36. Plus 1 you carried, 37. Write 7 here. You are carrying 3. 4 times 6 here. 4 times 6, what do you have? That is 24. Remember you carried 3. 24 plus 3, that's now 27. Write 7, carry 2. 4 times 2, that is 8. Plus 2, 10. We write 0, we carry 1. 4 times 9, that's now 36. 36 plus 1, this is now 37. Let us recheck to avoid making mistake at the last stage. Let us recheck. 4 times, we write 0, start by writing 0. Then 4 times 3, we have 12. We have 12. We write 2, we carry 1. 4 times 9, what do you have? 36 plus 1, 37, carry 3. 4 times 6, what do you have? That is now 24 plus 3, you carried 27, carry 2. 4 times 8, we have 4 times 2, we have 8, plus 2, we have 10. We write 0, we carry 1. Then 4 times 9 is 36 plus 1, you carried 37. So get used to redoing them to avoid making a mistake at the last stage. Correct the mistake as early as possible. Now the next step is our addition. Let us add together. 6 plus 0, what do you have? This now, 6. 8 plus 2, what do you have? 10, right? 0. Carry 1, carry it on top there. 1 plus 3, we have 4, plus 7, we have 11, right? 1, carry 1. Then that 1 carry it here. 1 plus 6 here, 5 here, we have 6. Then plus 7, we have 13. So carry 1 here. 1 plus 8 here, what do you have? 9. Then here we have 9. Then 1 plus 7, we have 8. What do you have here? No digit. So 0 plus 3, we have 3. So already here we have 3,893,106. Here we had 5 million, here I had 1 million, 5 million, 3 million. So we are going behind, but I know not for bad. We are trying. So try this one and let me know by